you want to use your x-axis to cut off. So for example, where is that? -4. So you have to do the triangle here. You have to do a triangle here, and you have to do it to 3, right? Part of the triangle. Let's say this is 2 right here. And you have to do part of it right there. That is at 3 right here.
Yeah.
So you have to find the area between them. So you'll get a negative, you get a positive, just kind of like, combine them, right? Is that okay? So let's have a look. -5 to -2. So 1/2 times the base times the height, that's what we're doing. The base is going to be 2 to 5, that's 3, right? I'm doing this one first. And the height of that is what? 4. Could you see it? Like 4 high?
Yeah.
So that, the first triangle will be 6. So 6, it'll be -6 for now. And then the triangle of this one is 1/2 times the base. Let me see, from 2 to 2, that's 4. Times the height of that looks like perpendicular. 6 is perpendicular to that. You follow the concept here, okay? You're okay with that? 3?
It's 6, right? Yeah.
Yes. So it'll be 12 here, positive 12. And then this last portion here, 3 up to 3, yes. So it's just 1/2 times 1, the base times the height. The height of that looks like it's 6 also. Yeah, it's 6. So 3.
So you don't look at the negatives when you plug it into the formula? Like, if it goes down, but the height is still just 6, right? Not -6?
Yeah, you know what? This is actually, it depends on how what do we, okay, so, all right, let's put them all positive for now, but you're supposed to have the negative version of it, but the notation says that it's not absolute value. Therefore, the negative should be accounted for. But what do you want to try? You want to try, right now I see a negative for the bottom two. So the way I see it is
But,
12.
like, is it supposed to be,
Yes, if it's,
so you do make a negative when
yeah,
the
you do
triangle
make a
goes
negative out of
up.
it. Yeah. So let's see what happens. Can I ask what's penalty? What is the penalty if we make
We
them?
have 5 tries.
Okay, I see. So what is that? 11? No, not 11. 12 minus 9. What is that?
3.
3. Yes. So let's put 3 in there. Okay, so add them up. So it looks to me now, it looks like they want you to make them all positive. So what is that?
9 plus 12, 21.
21. Okay. Unless I made the error somewhere. Okay. Can we look at the triangle one more time then?
Yeah.
Yeah, the base and the height. So double check my base and height. 1/2 base, 2 to 5. Yeah, it's small here a little bit. The height is what? Is it 3 or is it 4? It is 4, right? Yeah, it is 4.
Yep.
And the base is 3, right? Between -2 and 5. Okay, now that's 1. What about the math? Yeah, it looks good to me. -6. And then what about the top this triangle here? 1/2. And that's 4 to
Oh,
me.
I think it's because for the last triangle that you put, the base should have been 4. You put
No,
1.
but look at where it lands, right? It's 3, starting at 3, right? You see at 3 all the way to from 3 to -4. Oh, it's the last triangle that I got it wrong.
Yeah, I'm talking about this one.
No,
It's
wait.
1, 2,
Wait,
3.
no,
It's 4,
wait. No,
6. You put
look at
1.
the notation carefully. Look at up here. Look at the integral notation. You're supposed to do
Uh,
from 3 to -4. So I made a mistake here. The 4 is cut off right here. So I did what I should not include that part right there. So I made
so
a
it's
mistake there.
2 and 4.
Yes, 2. Yes, so it's going to be 2 and 4 for the base, right? Is 2. So yeah, that means 2 cancel with 2 there, so you're left.
So it's 4.
So you're left with just 4. So it's -4. So let's
Right.
combine them again. So 12.
Wait, but what about up to the 3?
Yeah, the 3 is okay, isn't it? Like this is 1.
1 and 6? Oh, yeah,
1
yeah,
and
yeah.
6, right? So we'll double check. 2 times 2 times 4, right? For the first triangle, negative. So it's -4. So it's -4 minus 3. Is that right? 12 minus 4 and
So
minus 3.
5?
So
5?
that, yeah, it should be 5. Yes.
There we
There
go.
you go. So you okay? It has to be negative.
Yeah.
Later on, when they write it with the absolute value, then you'll account it for it positive. All right, this one. Sorry, I didn't see the
Oh, sorry.
notation. Okay, you're doing between 9 and -4. Okay, be careful with this one again. -4. Oh, it's a trapezoid. Yeah, it's too small for me. Let me see. To -4. So here, I'll sketch a little bit here. So the -4 will be a trapezoid. It looks like this. So I'll do that one first. It looks like the top base is 5 here, and the height of this is 3. And then the base on the bottom, it's 4. So for a trapezoid, you might remember it's 1/2 times the sum of the bases, 5 plus 4, times the height, which is 3. But it'll be negative. But I'll go ahead and combine it first. Times 9 times 3. So what is that? 27 halves? It's negative. So put that on hold. Double check my math there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait, a
5.
trapezoid is 1.
One
Isn't
half.
it 1/3? No, it's 1/2.
Yeah, 1/2 times the sum of the two bases with base
Base
1, base
plus
2
3?
here. Yeah, and then
Ah,
times the height. The height is 3 perpendicular to the base or the bases. Yeah, is that 3? Yeah, it is 3. And then
yeah.
you're gonna do the triangle here. Well, let's see how far again. It's going to 9. Yeah, so we're gonna cover this and the rectangle there or square. It's a square here. So this one is 9. 3 times 3. That's 9 right away. This one here is 1/2 times 1/2 times the base. The base looks like it's 5. Is that okay? Times the
1/2
height,
base is, yeah, 5 times 3.
3. Okay, so this is going to give you
15 over 3.
15 halves. Okay, so combine these here. So -27 halves plus 15 halves plus 9.
So it's negative
Okay,
12 halves.
12 halves, which is -6 plus 9. 3?
Mm-hmm.
Is that right? Yes. No.
No.
No. Double check the math.
Um, negative 27 halves plus 15 halves. Negative 12 halves and 14.
Unless, like, could you zoom in? Unless this is crooked right here. See that little slanted line? It is a straight slanted line, right?
What part?
This part right here, this part right here.
This?
Yeah, is that straight slanted? Is that
Yeah,
straight
it's
line?
slanted. It doesn't
Yeah,
go perfectly through. Like,
yeah, it's okay. Not yeah. Don't worry about the y-intercept. But okay, let me check
yeah, it's
the
straight.
trapezoid again. 1/2 times the two bases. 5, is that 5? Yeah, it is 5 for the longer one here. And then the small, oh, it's 4, it's 3. This is 3. This is right here is 3. This part is right here is 3, not 4. I put 4. So that's 3. That means this is 3. So it's going to be 8 right here. So it's going to be 4 times 3. So this is going to be 4 instead of 1 time. So it's just going to be -12 here. Do you see it? I hope you're okay. It's 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3, which is 8. I thought it was 4 right here. The thing was too small for me. So it's going to be negative 12. Okay, so it's going to, let's start again. It's negative 12 plus 5 halves plus 9. Double check here. 4 times, yeah, it's 12. So here, so it's negative 24 plus 15 halves plus 9. What is that? Negative 9 halves plus 9. So it's going to be 9 halves. So do you get what I got? 9 halves? Try 9 halves, yeah. Wait. Okay, go for it. Is that right? Okay, good. I can't hear you. Can you hear me okay? I can't hear you. Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so where were we? Oh, let me make sure I know you're a little
What a new
awkward
one.
in the library. I understand.
Okay.
Okay, what happens here? For some reason I can't make the screen bigger. Okay, yes, do share the screen again.
Oh, I forgot it's not there anymore. Okay.
Okay, good. You can see my whiteboard, okay, right? Yes. Okay, same thing here. You're gonna do it between 3 and negative 4.
So the first one is a triangle.
Let me see. Negative
So
4,
3
yes.
to 1. So 2. 1/2. 2 times 4,
1/2
which is
times
4.
for the to negative to negative 3, negative 3. Yes, for the top triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be 1/2 times the base. The base is what? It looks like it's 5. It's 5, isn't it?
So what?
For the base of the triangle here, be 5. The height will be 6.
Oh, I was starting with like from 3 to 1. No?
Sure, you can. Yes. Okay, do that one first. So it's going to be the bottom portion. So what is that? That bottom one. 1/2 times. It'll be a negative. 1/2 times
2 times negative 4.
2 times negative. Well, it's positive 4. You want to think like everything positive, and then put the negative in for the whole thing. right?
Okay.
Is that okay? Yeah. Do a regular triangle. Yeah, it'll be 4.
So 2 times 4 and then negative.
Yes. Double check. There's
So
not
negative
4.
4.
Is that true? Is it true? Yes, it is. Okay, that looks good. So it'll be a -4 here. And over here, could you see it's the triangle that point up? The base is 5 and the height is 6. Is that right? 1/2 times the base. Yeah. Is that okay?
Basic.
So
For
that
which
should be,
one?
so it should be,
Wait, where are you for this?
so the top triangle, the top
Oh,
triangle
yeah.
is 1/2 times the base. The base will be 5 and the height will be 6. Yeah. So 2 can go into 6 3 times. You're left with 5 times 3. So it's 15. So 15 minus 4. So the answer should be 11, right?
Isn't there another one there? Oh, no, that was it.
35. No, yeah, I don't see another one. Okay, it looks good. All right. What is, okay, that's the hint. Okay. All right. Okay, so this one from 2 to 5. Really? Really? Okay, let's see. Because it's actually
Let's slow
trickier.
down. It's half a semicircle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. So it's a quarter. You want to do a fourth. Is that okay?
So would
It's a
you do
quarter.
1/2 times rad r squared plus x squared?
Actually, you want to go faster than that. Let me double check. So 2 to 5, right? Yeah. The radius being, okay. Wait. Let's say the whole circle first. The area of the whole circle will be pi r squared. So it's going to be pi times the radius being 2 squared. So it's pi. It's 4 pi. But then since we're doing between 2 and 5, wait, oh, 2 and 5. So it will look like this. Careful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for the for this particular top portion, this top here, it's going to be a fourth of pi, 4 pi. Do you agree?
Isn't the
It's
semicircle formula though the rad x squared plus r squared?
well, half of a circle would be the whole thing, right? We're doing only a quarter of it, right?
But could you do that times 1/2?
Times 1/2. No, because wait, you're okay with the pi r squared for the whole circle, right? You do agree with the formula,
Yeah,
right,
but
for the whole
isn't I'm
circle?
saying like isn't the semicircle rad r squared plus x squared?
No, don't do that.
Yeah.
That's too. Yeah, you don't need to. Yeah, you don't need to
Okay.
do that yet.
Okay.
That's too fancy. This is just a straight geometry. Wait, is it? It's a quarter of it, right? It is a quarter of a circle,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just a quarter of pi r squared. Okay, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So it's going to be pi. So this is just going to be a pi. But then the triangle here is 1/2 times the base, which is 1,
I got negative 2.
times the height. I think you're right. Yeah, it's 4. So it's -2.
So
So
pi minus 6.
yes, pi minus 2 is the answer.
Yay.
All right.
Okay.
What is that? From what to what here? From 7, from 7 to -5. Seriously? Yeah. 7 to, so what you need to do is this. You have to
Isn't it
actually,
from negative 5 to 7? So you're going backwards? Yes. Because your
yes,
A is negative 5 and your 7 is 3.
yes. So the shape looks like this. Wait, 5? Okay, okay. So I'll cut it through here, and then you're gonna do the 7 one. My drawing is bad, so I'll cut it here, and the 7 is here.
Make this a rectangle?
Yes. So is that right? and this is
Wait, can't you just?
negative 5. Okay, yeah, that
Oh,
looks
yeah.
right, right? So you have to do a trapezoid and then subtract the half circle, and then you get this part. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the trapezoid, I'll do the trapezoid for 1/2 times the two bases. The first base, the big base here is 5, like right here is 5. The base here, the bottom base is 3. From -1 to 4 is 3. So I'm sorry, the sum of the bases. So it's 5 plus 3 times the height right here. The height of that,
-7.
it's 7. So it'd be 7. Yes. Okay. And then we'll subtract it. But let's go ahead and do this one first. So that'll be 4 times 7, 28. So there'd be 28. But then you have to subtract. So 28 for that. And you have to subtract the half circle, which is pi times 1/2 pi. The radius is 2 squared. See, you agree with that? That will be
2 pi.
2 pi. Yes. So far we have 28 minus 2 pi. Oh, careful! It's a negative 28 minus 2 pi. So let me. Okay. Here's the total of this whole thing. Okay, total of this whole thing is going to be negative 28 minus 2 pi. Doesn't matter how you write it. And then the top is 1/2 times the base, which is 4 between 7 and 3. Wait, are we doing 7, right? We're from 7 to 5? Yes. So it'd be
Yeah.
4 times the height. It's also 7, I think. 3. 7 to 3, that's 4. Yeah, looks good to me. So it'll be 2 times 7. So it's 14. So if you combine them, it'll be 14 minus 22 minus 2 pi. What is that?
Wait, it's not 1/2 times 14?
No,
No.
it's 1/2 times 4. So it becomes 2. 2 times 7 is 14, right? So it'd be 14 minus 22 minus 2 pi. Whatever that is. What is that?
Negative.
Negative 8 minus 2 pi? Or negative 2 pi minus 8. It doesn't matter.
Wait, isn't it 28?
Why is it 28?
Negative 14 minus 28 minus 2 pi? You did minus
Yes,
22.
yes, yes. Where do you get 22 from? Yes, it is 28. So what is that? Negative, negative
Negative 14.
14. Now let's put that in. Let's see. Negative 14 minus 2 pi. Okay, so let's look at the sides again. Of the oh oh yeah, this is tricky. Okay, this is really tricky. First of all, the whole trapezoid on the bottom here, right? It is 20. It is negative 28. The
Oh,
whole
we didn't
thing.
account for this, didn't we?
We did because the shape of the whole thing is trapezoid.
But what
Get
about
it?
this? Oh, you put the whole thing?
The whole thing.
I see.
That's the trapezoid formula. However, the subtraction of the arc is not subtraction. You're supposed to add,
Why?
right? Why? Because you're supposed to cut it off. The whole thing is negative. So you have to ship it off. So it's supposed to be add. Yeah, it's tricky. That's why they made this on purpose for you to be able to visualize it or see it.
Negative 28 plus 2 pi.
Plus 2 pi.
So 14 plus 2 pi.
Yeah, so negative 14 plus 2 pi.
No.
No. Well, what's happening? Let me double check the 2 pi. I'm pretty sure it's right. Could you go back to the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, half of pi r squared. So let me see, the r being 2 squared. So that is correct. Let me check the trapezoid again. from a from a -5, right? Yeah, it's -5 all the way to 3. That
From
is
negative.
8, right? 8. Oh, I only went with 5 here, so it's, oh yeah, it is 8. It is 8 here. 8 plus, no. Okay, I got it wrong here. So I labeled that 5, but it's not 5. It is 8. You see that? I mean, this is 8 plus 3. So that means it's not 8 total. The 3 is on the bottom there. Let me double check. Is it 3? It's not 3 either. It's 4. Wait. This is all bad. Why did I say 3? Because the picture, I can't see it well. The whole diameter of that half circle is 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that means it's not 3. It's 4.
Oh, and you
Furthermore,
put
yeah, I put 3. Furthermore, it is 8 plus 4. That is 12. This whole thing is 12.
12,
Divided by 2, that's 6. 6 times 7. It's all bad
42.
here. It's 42, and then you have to add 2 pi. So it's 42 plus 2 pi, but do everything carefully here. So let me do the whole thing again. Okay, what is it? 40. Oh, 1 second. It's a negative 42. It's negative 42 plus 2 pi, and then
Wait,
plus,
negative 42?
yeah, the
Or
trapezoid, right?
positive?
It's negative because
So
it's below,
negative 42 plus 2 pi,
plus
and
2
then
pi.
minus,
Not minus. Now you can add the triangle. What is the triangle? It's 14.
oh,
How,
plus 4,
yeah. How many tries do we get here? Sorry.
5. We have a lot more.
Okay, so combine like terms. Negative 42 plus 14. What is that? Negative 30.
Negative.
Negative 26.
It's
Is that
negative 28.
28? Let me see.
Yeah.
Negative 28. Okay, so negative 28 2 plus 2 pi. Try that. Try that. Oh, it sounds bad.
There we go.
Okay, finally. Man, yeah, these things are tricky. Well, it has to do with my eyes and what I see also.
Um, okay.
Okay, this
This one's
one,
from negative 4 to 7.
negative 4 to 7. Okay, so it'll be half a circle
Negative
for sure.
7. And then this
But then you
little
have to,
bit, 1 times
yeah.
3.
So you're gonna have a circle, and then add the
So 1
rectangle
half
on the
pi
bottom,
squared.
and this
1 half
rectangle here.
pi. 1 half pi times 1, 2, 3, 4 squared. So 1 half pi
4
16.
squared. Yeah,
So
it
8
looks
pi.
good.
8
4,
pi plus 3, right?
and this one, what 1 times 8? Is that what you said?
I said 8 pi plus 3.
Wait, for the bottom portion, the rectangle. You see the rectangle on the bottom, like the ham.
This part,
I
right?
don't know. Oh yeah, let's do the whole thing. Let's do the whole extension. Watch. What I mean is that let's extend it all the way out here. It's a big rectangle.
Oh, this under.
Yeah.
So
Is that
plus
okay?
1 times
Times,
8.
is that 8?
Yeah. Because it goes.
No. Go all the way to 7, right? You can extend it all the way to
Uh,
7, right? Yeah. So what is that?
so 11.
8, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So it's 1 times 11.
So 8 pi plus 11.
So is that right? 16 pi. Yeah. So it'll be 8 pi plus 11. Yes. Go for it.
There we
All
go.
right. That's not bad. Okay, let's see what this is. What is the value? Okay, so it says that the A, B,
You just
C, and
add them
D.
all. It tells you. From
Yes.
negative 4 to 8. So you just add them. You add B plus
Well,
2.
Yeah, you do need to subtract some. So you gotta what?
Oh,
Okay,
you subtract the negative?
yeah. So let's see what are the regions here. I'll label them. I'll try to sketch it and I'll label them so you can see it visually here.
So
So
wouldn't
something
it
like
be
this, right?
B minus B plus B minus E?
Okay, tell me what's A first. Could you go back to see what's A? A is 10, and what
Do
is
we need
B?
A though?
You see that area is 10, but it's negative. Okay, but what is B? The B is up here. Okay, what is B there? What is B? B is
Do
4.
we do we need A though? Is it
Yeah,
taught in those -4 to 8?
let me double check. Yeah, so we don't care for the endpoint here, just this right here, and this right here, this right here, and this right here. Do you agree?
But not A because A doesn't fit into the -4.
8. Let me see what you could you show me again? Wait, this is 20 right here. I can see that. D is 20.
Like
E. Sorry, I
no,
forgot.
I'm saying like doesn't um A not matter because it's not in our like limit from -4 to 8.
See, it says you're right. You're right. So you good because I'm not looking at that. Double check here between what again? Between -4 and 8. Yes, you're right. So where is -4? Yes, good job. Take that 10 out. We don't care for the 10. So the B will be 4. C.
Is the answer 4?
Go ahead and put it in. I think you got it, but make sure that you account for the negatives. What is C?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, you
I got
got
it.
it. All right. That's not bad.
Mm.
Yeah, you got this.
Okay, so -4 to 8, so it's just 14 minus 3 plus 19.
Okay, 14
11
minus,
plus 19.
what is that?
So 30.
Okay, let's put in. Yeah, you got this.
Yeah.
All right.
-4 to 5.
4.
So it's 6 minus 20 plus 9. So -14 plus 9, -5.
Okay, very good.
They determine which has the greatest value.
Okay,
So the first one is from -8 to -2.
negative, negative
8
8.
to
Okay, can I see the instruction again one more time?
yeah. It's just determine which one is the greater value.
Oh, I see. Which one is greater value?
It's -4, you subtract an -8 to 3. -8. Oh, it's this one,
Why?
I think.
Negative 8,
Because you have the most, you subtract the least and you add the most again.
negative 8 to
Have you
3.
tried it?
It looks right. Go for it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, and then which one has the least value?
Least value.
So from 0 to 4, it's all negative.
Uh-huh.
From 0 to 8, you add again, so not that one. From 4
Yes.
to 8, it's all positive. And from
Uh-huh.
8 to -7, you add a little, subtract a lot for this one.
Uh-huh. Very good.
And then for this one, in terms of greatest value, from 2 to -4, you have a lot and you subtract a lot.
Mm-hmm.
-8 to -1, what is it, base? You have a lot and you subtract a lot. 6 to -8. It's more positive than negative.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yep.
And then from 2 to -1, it's all positive, but it's
Mm-hmm.
this one.
Okay. Looks good. Very good.
So this might have to
Okay.
be my last one because I have to keep studying
Okay.
for any.
Got it. Okay, let's see. So you're gonna do the final. If you look at the last question, right, it says, "Hey, what is the final value of between 7 and 8?"
Mhm.
So you can see that 8 goes to from 8 to 4, and then 4 to 7. So all you do is just combine them. Double check. Yeah. So you're gonna add them together. So it's gonna be -10. Is that okay? You go. Yeah, there's a cut at 4.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a cut at 4. Whatever the graph looks like, it doesn't matter. So then you go from 4 to 7. So the combined values are negative 10. Yeah. You can do another one here, same, but double check. Is it going from one end to the other? Negative 1. Yeah, there's like something happened at the 9 as a cut, but you still combine them all the way to 10. So the answer is going to be 2. Yeah. Wait. Let's see what's up with this one. Double check. From 10, from 10, continuous function from 10 to negative 1. What is the value of that answer? Let me double check here. And that 1 to 9 and 9 to 10 is 3. Continuous function. Yeah, what's up with that? What's the value of negative 1 to 10? Continuous function, it's continued, being negative 1. Okay, try 4. No, not 24, 4. The way I see is that it seems like they're actually telling you to do there's a rule. Scroll down the bottom a little bit. Yeah, let's see the reason why. You have to do this particular rule. When you have a negative, you start. Let me show you right now. Okay, if you didn't know already, let me show it to you. You have several way to do this. If you have a negative, you can make it a positive by making it to a B and A. You remember something like this? Yeah, you can write this down. And vice versa. If you have a positive, I'm making this up, okay? If you have a positive A over B, like A on top B, then you do a negative B to A. Is that okay? You can make it like that. Now, you need to do that when you cannot start with the top being smaller. Anytime you see the top being smaller than the bottom, fix it. When you
it
fix
becomes a
it,
negative.
you make it a negative or make a
Oh,
positive out of it. Yeah, that's it. Is that okay? So this is the rule. So you cannot have the top being smaller in general. Okay, that's why.
yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
All right.
This will be the last one.
Okay.
I'm
So
done with the second.
okay, again, you have to flip. You have to flip the first one so it become a 7. Do you see it? It become a positive 7. So it become a positive 7. The second one
Seven.
is fine. So the answer is 8.
This one. Oh,
Yeah. I hope you're okay with that.
okay. That
Okay.
makes sense.
All right.
I think I can do the rest of them.
Okay.